right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in and welcome back to another Fair Reacts reaction. And today we have Invent Animate. Invent's first time on the channel. Um, I don't have a lot of background in this band. I've heard a couple of songs that are pretty good. I think one of them is Emulation of Night or something close to that. And it's a great song. I was recommended that song. I listened to it and playlist adder immediately all that. So now I've been recommended the song Fall Like Rain, being it's only month old. Perfect time to react to it. And so we're going to do that today. With all that being said, I did look them up a little bit just to see what I was getting myself into. And based on what I read, they're a very technical band, some gent inspired themes sometimes, and they use a lot of atmospheric stuff and emotional lyrics, which in a metalcore, I feel like emotional lyrics are, one and the same. I feel like you hear that all the time. But atmospheric stuff is a very, very interesting sound that I have found myself more and more hearing recently. Maybe it's not so new, obviously. I know there's bands from the 90s that did this, but I hear a lot of Lorna Shore doing it. The new Boundary song I just heard, they did it, and I know they did it on the Burying Brightness album. So, yeah, I got no beef with it. So, with all that being said, this is Fall Like Rain by Invent Animate. Uh, Okay, okay. Last beats. Loving the bounce of guitar. Crazy. The bass boost, the bass drops. Back to the Piece of the Rain. Okay. That was Fall Like Rain, Invent Animate, and let's talk about that. All right, Invent. We have now first time reacted to you on the channel. Let's get into the pros and cons. Number one, from the beginning to the end, You never lost your energy. Never lost your energy in this song at all. It was very powerful and bouncy. As stated in the middle of the song, you could hear them guitars bouncing in and out, the vocalist going like in and out. I don't know how to explain it, but I like the way they flowed off of each other. And then you thought the song would be a little more peaceful with the rain intro. That's where you were wrong. Rain can be peaceful, but it can be the way we just heard it. And I think that's kind of maybe their message there. Um it's overall a good song. Overall a good song. Like the way they did everything. I like the technicality. Heard a little bit of Silent Planet in this. I don't know if they get compared to them at all, but I could see that if they do. Um but anyways, playlist adder or not, the answer is yes. Final score. I'm going to go 7.8 out of 10. I think that there was room for improvement. It did hit everything that I do like. Maybe minus, there wasn't a very obvious chorus, but not all songs need them. 7.8 out of 10. Quick review, straight to the point. Fall Like Rain, Invent Animate, you will be on the channel again, I'm certain, and I'll be ready to react to you once more. That's the review.